तो आज अपन करने वाले हैं 25 ज्योग्राफी के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो हाल फिलहाल में आ सकते हैं। तो ये क्वेश्चन होने के बाद आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर पूरा हो जाएगा फंडामेंटल ऑफ ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी का, ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी एंड नेचर एंड स्कोप का, जिसमें से आपका ये पूरा चैप्टर हो गया। मैं आगे और भी चैप्टर कराने वाला हूँ, इसलिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको शेयर कीजिए। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी? ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी क्या है? तो इसका आंसर है, ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी इज द स्टडी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ह्यूमंस एंड देयर एनवायरनमेंट, फोकसिंग ऑन स्पेशल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड पैटर्न्स ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, डिफाइन एनवायरमेंटल डिटर्मिनिज्म। Environmental determinism state that human activities, culture, and social development are controlled or determined by the natural environment. Third question है, what is possibilism? Possibilism argue that nature provides opportunities and limits, but human beings have freedom to choose their action through intelligence and technologies. What is neo-determinism? Neo-determinism, stop and go determinism, suggests that nature sets limits, but humans can use technology responsibly. Over exploitation of nature triggers environmental consequences. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट इंटरेक्शन, फार्मिंग एंड फर्टाइल प्लेन्स एंड बिल्डिंग डैम्स टू कंट्रोल रिवर्स। 6 क्वेश्चन है, हु इंट्रोड्यूस स्टॉप एंड गो डिटर्मिनिज्म? ग्रिफिथ टेलर। 7 क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द मेन फोकस ऑफ ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी? टू स्टडी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, their spatial organization and how humans interact with the environment. 8th question है, name 2 subfields of human geography, population geography and economic geography. 9th question है, state 2 characteristic of human geography. It is the interdisciplinary and studies cause effect relationship between human and their environment. Question number 10 है, what is meant by areal differentiation? Areal differentiation means studying the differences between various regions based on their physical and cultural features. Question number 11, why is human geography interdisciplinary? Because it uses knowledge from sociology, economic history, anthropology, political science and environmental studies. Question number 12, what is cultural landscape? A landscape that has been modified by human activities such as agriculture, settlement and industries. Question number 13, who is the father of modern human geography? Carl Ritter. Mention 2 branches of social geography, cultural geography and political geography. What is the mean by space? Space refers to a physical area where human activities occur and are organized. Long type questions. Explain the nature and scope human geography. Nature studies human geography environmental relationships, examines spatial distributions of human activities. Interdisciplinary in nature scope पर आ गए, population, settlement, transport, agriculture, industry, culture and politics. Understanding regional variation, help in planning and development, 17 question, relationship between human geography and other social science. Sociology, culture, society, settlement patterns. Economics, industries, agriculture, trade, transport. Political science, boundaries, geopolitics. History, evolution of societies and civilizations. Human geography integrates all these. Understand human geography life spatially. Discuss environmental determinism with example. It states that human behavior is controlled by physical environment. Example: hot climate leads low productivity. Hot climate leads low productivity. River valley favor agriculture. Criticism, it's ignore human creativity and technology. Question number 19. Explain possibility versus determinism. Determinism, environment control humans. Possibilism, human control environment using technology. Positivism sees humans as active agent who can modify nature. Question number 20. Describe neo-determinism. Griffin Taylor proposed that humans must use nature with limits. Nature gives option, but exploiting beyond limits causes environmental problem, pollutions and disasters. Thus, this is balanced view between determinism and possibilism. Question number 21. Human geography studies man's environmental relationship justify. Human geography studies how humans depend on, adapt to and modify the environmental. Example: agriculture depend on climate, soils. Agriculture depends on climate, soils. Urbanization modifies landforms. Technology reduce environmental barriers. Question number 22. Evolution of human geography over time. Early period determinism, later period possibilism, modern period neo-geography, neo-determinism. Recent trends, humanistic behavior, radical geography, thus shifted from nature centered to people concerned approach. Question number 23. Main branches of human geography. Economic geography, industries, agriculture, political geography, boundaries and geopolitics. Population geography, migration and distribution, cultural geography, language and religion. Social geography, community and caste, gender. Question number 24. Scope of human geography in the modern world. Urban planning, resources management, population and migration studies, globalization patterns, disaster management, sustainable development. 25. Human geography explains variation of human phenomena. Explained. Human geography studies why different religions have different population, culture, economics and settlements. Example: industry religions and agriculture religions, urban areas versus rural areas. Question number 26. Role of technology in shaping human environment relationships. Technologies help humans overcome environmental limitations. Irrigation and dry areas, green revolution, transport across difficult terrains, but overuse also cause pollution and climate change. जरूरत से ज़्यादा यूज़ करना क्लाइमेट चेंज को अंजाम दे सकता है, पोल्यूशन को भी अंजाम दे सकता है. यहाँ पे समाप्त होना है. नोट्स आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से ले सकते हैं. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को आगे से आगे पहुँचाइए।